for the copy of the letter of the mayor. This is not the copy of the mayor. We need some propriety here, Mr. Chair. Pinaglululoko na tayo ng mga taong ito.
For
This
the
is a
information-
certification.
For the
This is not-
information of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, it was submitted to us by the SP Secretary. SP Secretary, please take the seat in front.
certification ito eh. Oh. Hindi naman yung letter eh.
SP? Eh,
Nasaan po yung letter
hindi
na
ito
sinasabi
nire-request
natin?
namin.
Your Honor, please, yung pong file ko, as I said during the first meeting, Your Honor, I have to verify in my office whether there is a certification of urgency available on file, Your Honor. Pagkatapos ko pong tinignan yung files namin, wala pong certification of urgency na nakikita on file. But since it is approved, certified urgent by the members, Your Honor, now I am certifying based on the
I just want to cut you. What we are asking is the document, SP Secretary. Now, ang certification mo, proving that indeed there is a request from the mayor, di ba, for urgency. Pero ang hinanap namin dito yung dokumento, hindi po yung SP. Kaya nga in question ngayon to, dahil kine-question namin yung desisyon ng SP. Nang sangguniang pangbayan. Now you're telling us, what we need is the document. Now, if you don't have the document, indeed, hindi totoo po. Nagpadalang mayor.
Your Honor, yung pong, let me explain, Your Honor. Yung pong, kaya nga po sabi ko nung unang hearing natin, I think I was several times asked about this, whether that certification is available in my office. During the time, I'm not very sure, Your Honor. Now, I am telling the Honorable Committee, Your Honor, after a diligent effort to find the document, I cannot find one, Your Honor. Maybe because it was not filed in my office or it was given directly to the Vice Mayor or the presiding officer during that time. That is, but I am certifying since it is in the minutes of the meeting that it was approved, certified urgent, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, the right protocol. Okay.
Why did you make a certification? Ang hinahanap dito sa committee, sandali. Please, wait to be recognized before you speak. Ang hinahanap dito last hearing is the document itself. Yung request, certified urgent. Yun ang hinahanap. Now, sabi mo kanina, hindi mo nakita. Then why did you certify? Because the order of this committee is to produce that document, not your certification. Ano?
May I answer, Your Honor?
Of course, please
Apo.
proceed.
Yung pong ang SB Secretary po, kung ano lang po yung file sa office ko, I will take care of that document as an official record of the council. Yung pong pag sinabi ng mga SB members, certified urgent yan, I cannot question that, Your Honor. Kasi po, they are I cannot be better than them, Your Honor.
No,
Okay,
Mr.
Chairman, Chairman Fernandez. Now, what I'm telling you, this
Pare tayo
committee
LGU dito eh.
directed you to produce the document, di ba? O walang dokumento, tama? Bakit ka magsicertify? Kasi ang order ng committee is for you to produce. Now you're justifying yung question ngayon dun sa issue ng certificate of urgency.
May I answer, Your Honor?
Oh,
Apo,
ako I just like to warn you. Pag inulit-ulit mo sagot mo, hindi ka pwedeng lumusot dito. Kasi alam na namin na hindi mo nakita. Na ang tanong ko, please diretso mong sagutin. Bakit ka nag-certify hindi mo nakita?
May I read my certification for the record, Your Honor? Ano po? May I read?
There
Your
will be
Honor?
no need, Mr. Chair. Maliwanag na po ito. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
George Carino po. Your
George
Honor.
Carino, ikaw ang Sangguniang Bayan Secretary.
Opo, opo.
Ilagay mo doon sa minutes of the meeting, January 14, 2020, na certified urgent itong resolution na ito. It is in the minutes. Ito, nakalagay rito. Sinertify mo na urgent dahil sa sinabi ng mga members ng Sanggunian?
Yes, sir.
Ganun ba ang patakaran ninyo ngayon? Pag sinabi nilang urgent without even looking at the certification or letter of urgency by the mayor, gagawin mo na certified urgent?
Based po doon po, opo, kapag sinabi po nila. Kasi
Pag sinabi ng sanggunian mo nang hindi mo nakikita isulat ng mayor, isa-certify mo?
based po doon sa minutes na sinabi.
Hindi, ang tanong ni ni Dante
tinatanong
Marcoleta,
ko sa'yo-
walang letter, sinabi na ng sanggunian,
Mr. Chair, sumumpa na ba ito?
Dito po sa minutes
Sandali
namin.
lang. Walang letter. Tama o hindi?
Opo, tama po.
O, bakit ka nag-certify na urgent coming from the office of the mayor nandito sa minutes?
Kasi
Nang
po,
hindi mo nakikita yung letter.
kasi po sabi ng presiding officer,
Teka muna, tinatanong ko, bakit ka nag-certify dito sa minutes mo na merong certified urgent sa mayor nang wala?
based po doon sa sinabi ng
So ano
presiding
paniniwalaan mo? Yung letter ng mayor o yung based sa sinabi ng mga kasama mo sa konseho ninyo?
with due respect, Your Honor, siyempre po kung anong sinabi ng presiding officer at kami po kaming SB Secretary o ako bilang SB Secretary, kumukuha lang po ako ng notes based doon sa mga sinasabi ng membro. That is only my job, Your Honor.
Oh, andyan po si Mayor. Mayor, nandyan po kayo. Totoo po ba na wala kayong letter?
Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, the honorable members of the committee. The previous meeting na po natin on February 14.
Hindi nga, wala kayong letter,
Wala
di ba?
po. I denied already that I did not issue a certified urgent.
Oh, dinideny niya.
Yes,
Sino po
opo.
nagsising? Meron pong makukulong sa inyo. Either kayo o yung inyong
Lahat po
secretary
sila
ng Sangguniang
nag-confirm na
Bayan.
Nag-certified ako. Wala po. Lahat ng members of the councils.
Ang banggit po sa akin ng presiding officer during that time, certified urgent yan under the office of the mayor.
Kaya nga, kinocover mo si Mayor eh. Tingnan mo.
Under the office of the mayor po ang sinasabi
Kaya
ko.
nga, kinocover mo siya. Ito, January 14, gumawa na kayo ng ordinance. Isipin mo, Mr. Chair, in agenda ng January 14, kinover ng minutes ng January 14 pa rin ang ordinance. Sa isang araw, kaya nga merong urgency. Pero wala kang nakitang urgency sa office ng mayor. Sinasabi mo, did you advise the mayor when you prepared the agenda that your presiding officer inform you that it's certified urgent from the mayor? Did you call the mayor that it was certified urgent?
Your Honor, please, ako po yung SB Secretary lang po.
Tinatanong nga kita
kung ano lang
tinanong
po
mo.
kung ano lang po ang sasabihin ng mga bosses natin, hindi ko po may tatanong sa kanila kung nasaan yung in respect to them, Your Honor. Sila po, yung pong
Hindi
Vice
ko
Mayor,
sinasabi ang respeto dito. Mamaya na yung respeto. Ang sinasabi ko, tinawagan mo man lang si Mayor, tinext mo si Mayor. Mayor, totoo po bang certified urgent ito? Sinabi mo ba?
hindi po, Your Honor, naniniwala lang po ako doon sa banggit ng presiding officer during that time. Yun lang po ang natural po, hindi ko naman po tatanungin. Wala po, it's outside the authority of the SB Secretary to disagree with the Vice Mayor or any member of the Council whether totoo po ang presentation nila
So
sa
you
akin.
follow your bosses blindly?
Honestly, kung ano po
No,
ang
no. Do you follow your bosses blindly?
out of respect, yes, Your Honor.
Out of respect?
Opo. Kasi po, hindi ko
So
makukwestiyon.
pwede kang magbulag-bulagan dahil sa pagrespeto mo sa kanila?
I stand on the...
Kaya nga, So pwede kang makulong, di ba? Sapagkat pinagsinungalingan mo kami 3 beses.
I hope
Sa Biblia, nung tinanong si Apostol Pedro 3 beses na tumilaok ang manok, baka ganyan ang mangyari sa'yo. In 3 instances, Mr. Chair, first in the agenda of January 14, 2020, it was admitted that that there was a certified urgent coming from the city mayor, only to be overturned by his own admission that there was none. And then in the preparation of the minutes of the committee, the minutes of the meeting, again there was a formal declaration that there was a certified urgent letter coming from the mayor, only to be admitted again that there was none. And then finally, he submitted the certification before us, again certifying that there is an urgent certification coming from the mayor, but he still insisted that there was none. He merely blindly followed his bosses, and therefore he lied 3 times before the people of San Simon, Pampanga, and more particularly, he lied before the proceedings of this committee. I move, Mr. Chair, that he be cited for contempt and the necessary penalty of detention be carried with it. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Before I recognize everyone, there's a motion to cite in contempt SP Secretary Carino. Any objections? Honorable former President Jimmy objects? Yes.
Mr. Chair, I wanted to propound clarificatory questions so that I will know if I will support that. Very quickly, Mr. Chair. Very quickly.
Okay, I will give you a few. Ilang tanong ba?
Yeah, dalawa lang, Mr.
Dalawa.
Chair.
Because there is a second by Congressman Akop. And just for the record, as of now, there is a second motion by Congressman Akop, but they are being objected. For the record,
Yeah.
Ma'am Jamie is voting for no. With regards to the contempt. Please
Yeah.
proceed.
Clarificatory, Mr. Chair. Ilang beses ko po kasi narinig yung salitang my loyalty is to my bosses. Did I hear that right earlier? From
Opo, one way of saying I cannot be better than the boss, the vice mayor as an appointing authority.
So, Mr.
and
Chair,
the
if
SP
I may, Mr. Chair, baka dito po kasi in aid of legislation, may we inquire from the Honorable George Carino, sino po ba ang boss nyo sa pagkakaintindi mo?
The appointing authority is the immediate superior of the who is the vice mayor, Your Honor, and the SB member are also my superior in the legislative processes, Your Honor. Ang banggit ko po dito, I hope.
Yeah, so Mr. Chair, just to cut short the time, medyo dun po kasi nakakalito. Kasi, Mr. Chair, with due respect to Mr. George Carino, as a government official, ang boss niyo po ay ang mga taong bayan, ang mga taga San Simon. And I think that should be corrected, Mr. Chair, for the record, that all of us, our power emanates from the people who are paying our taxes. So I believe that can be corrected. My next question, Mr. Chair, in relation to the motion of the Honorable Marcoleta and the answers during the previous hearing, narinig po kasi natin yung mga kataga, sa isang buwan, approximately there are 4, did I hear that right, correct? If my memory recalls me right, 4 yung mga certificate of urgency na ini-issue. That was your answer before.
Opo,
Yeah, but please answer it with a yes or no. So it's
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So the statement of the SB Secretary, naging pangkaraniwan na kapag may mga land reclassification or request from the office of the mayor, even without documents, as long as it is certified urgent, it's being done approximately on a minimum 4 to 5 times. With that, Mr. Chair, I'm going to put forward the proper motion that we be given a copy of all these urgent requests, because this is also in relation to the action of Mr. George Carino. Lastly, Mr. Chair, may I ask the Honorable George Carino, ano po ba ang responsibilities ng Sangguniang Bayan Secretary?
Under the local government code po, ang trabaho ng SB Secretary is to attend the meeting and take minutes of the proceedings, Your Honor, posting of the ordinances approved by the...
Mr. Chair, do you examine documents that are being given to you, or you just blindly follow whatever is whispered to you?
I just listen to my superiors, Your Honor, because I am not in a position to inquire whether what they are saying is true or
So,
not.
Mr.
or
Chair,
they're-
pasensya na po, last question. So you can sign anything without checking the documents, just based on what your perceived bosses are saying?
During the deliberation, Your Honor, anyway, what is presented,
No, my question is answerable with a yes or no. So maski walang papel, kapag merong allegedly nagsabi sa'yo, diretso na lang yon, sasabihin mong urgent yon, pero walang papel.
pag binanggit po sa akin ng mga honorableng SB members, Your Honor, dun po ako po...
So no further question, Mr. Chair, and I would not object to the motion of the Honorable Marcoleta because I can see clearly that George Carino is confused with his obligations.
Just for the record, the motion of, the motion of Congressman Marcoleta to cite in contempt, duly seconded by Chairman Acop, and the objection ni former President Honorable JMA, of course, that is for the record purposes, but because Ma'am JMA cannot vote because she's not a member of this committee. So any member of this committee that wants to object. So, no objections to the members of this committee. The motion is...
Your Honor,
Please
please.
wait. The motion is carried.
Your Honor, please, may I answer bago po ako
Sandali, tapusin mo muna yung namin, proceedings namin, then I will recognize you. I need a motion for the period of detention of Mr. Carino. And section C, refusal to answer relevant questions.
What is the
or
maximum period, Mr. Chair?
maximum period, it's up to the committee. Only E and F violation, which has a maximum of 10 days.
Mr. Chair.
But letter A to letter D, it's up to the committee.
Sir Chair,
Yes, please proceed.
upon listening to the exchanges between Manong Dante and our resource person, it's not only C that is being violated, but there's also